Don't make ugly PowerPoint slide like this. Make them instead to impress your teacher. In this video, you are going to see how I made this beautiful slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. To be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's get started. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here. And make sure it covers the whole slide. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate. Reduce its size and change the shape fill color. Reduce the size and rotate it like this and place it over here. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this. Now select the rectangle, hold down the Ctrl key and select these two shapes. Go to Shape Format, go to Merge Shape and click on Subtract. Now go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. Let me insert a picture from my computer. Click on the picture, go to Crop, go to Aspect Ratio and make it 16:9 and click on Outside and make sure it covers the whole slide. Click on over it, go to Animation, go to Add Animation and click on Lines. And from the Effect option, make it right. And change the duration to 5 seconds and make it with previous. And go to Animation Pen. Click on over here, go to Effect option and make it auto reverse. Go to Timing and make it until end of the slide and click on OK. Now click on over here, click on right button and send it to back. Now select the rectangle, go to Shape Format, go to Shape Fill, click on White Fill Color. Go to Shape Effect, go to Shadow and click on Inside Center. Now I have to add some text box. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here and write here United Kingdom. Select it, change the font to Right Yes, make it bold and change the and go to eyedropper and select this color and change the font color and increase the font size. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick another text box, drag it over here and add some description of United Kingdom. Change the font size and place it like this. Now go to Insert, go to Picture, this device, add a logo of United Kingdom. Reduce its size and place it like this. Now let us watch the slideshow. And here you will see this is looking very beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.